the way to go. It's quite competitive and everybody needs it.
Yeah, well, I think things like, do you advertise on Google? Do you use?
I think we do.
I think that's how I came.
Yeah, I don't know if it's organic or not. Like if you did you go through AdWords or is it organic?
I can't remember. Yeah. But you obviously need kind of both, right? You need to be buying AdWords, but you need to be optimizing your SEO so that you're appearing.
At least first page, second, maybe bottom second. I think there's a system, isn't there?
Yeah, I mean, I can't remember the last time that I went to a second or third page of the Google search.
Same. You kind of like just give up.
Yeah, because yours. So yeah, it's important to be on that first page.
Yeah. So it's quite competitive. What do you search? What's your key search terms?
So I work for a company that, off the back of, if you search on a website for something, it then serves you an ad on the very next page based on that.
Oh, the secondary page. I think.
So if you put a search term in, not in Google but on any other kind of page, it then serves you an ad straight off the back of that. So the idea is that it serves you relevant advertising, not advertising that you don't want.
That makes sense.
If you're searching for a car, it either serves you ads for a similar car that you're looking for, or a holiday, or that kind of thing. It's supposed to be around serving you better ads.
Okay.
So that, or more relevant ads.
Yeah.
So that they're not, guys aren't getting tampon ads or.
Great to know. Good to know.
But no one's like, I'm not an idiot. Like, no one likes ads.
No. But ads I think it increases awareness of stuff.
So it's about, look, and that's the main purpose, right? It's about increasing awareness and consideration. You can't make people purchase things.
No.
And you just gotta be smarter about it.
Yeah, if you keep on spamming somebody, they're not going to appreciate you.
No, absolutely not. And there's a thing a few years ago where on Facebook where it was very popular for brands to have conversations with people. And the kind of the analogy is, why do consumers want to have a conversation with a toilet paper when they don't care about a toilet paper? So I think that's where advertising and marketing goes wrong.
Do you watch lots of TV and stuff or YouTube?
No, I don't. Do you?
Not really, to be honest. I watch Netflix.
Yeah, I watch Netflix. I watch Amazon.
Yep, Amazon.
Yeah. So I watch a lot of series.
Yes. So.
And box sets on Sky.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't say I watch a lot of. Why do you have a lot of nerve endings when you're on your feet?
And to feel the floor.
Yeah.
To have perception.
Okay.
So that's important. If you can't feel the floor, it's trick.
Right.
So that's why there's so much.
But surely, when we were walking around dozens of years ago, we didn't have shoes.